So this is just me making a quick and easy pasta dish. This meal literally took me under 30 minutes to make. It's so good and it's honestly so quick and easy. So here's my recipe. try to go to the dispensary, but they're closed. They open at 10 and it's 8:41. So we just going through a little memory lane. Because, you know, Bay is from Jersey and I have family from Jersey too. So we just riding around and reminiscing about where our family is from and where we used to visit.
It's tip top over here, I ain't gonna lie. This is going right into Irvington. Like, look, Maplewood. Irvington is right there at that lake. Full circle, my nigga.
So we in Irvington right now?
Nah, we still in Maplewood. Watch how we get to Irvington. Look, I'm gonna show you right now. Irvington. See that number block, 40th Street.
This Dunkin'?
Go to that Dunkin', yup. That's where I was put onto coffees. The Dairy Queen is right around that corner. That used to be a Jamaican spot. Right? You see that Dairy Queen? That shit been there forever. That's
wow. This is an old Dairy Queen. It's not even blue.
Wow, what the fuck is this?
Kruger shit, man.
We're in the red house.
Yeah.
Wow, right. This is crazy.
This is a full circle moment. This is where Savon's best friend lives, or used to live, because they live in now.
Wow, this is Bay old block.
This block look crazy. This block did not look like this. They look full on backyard and shit. Fire. She got me. I probably go knock on niggas' door. No cap. Look, I know them people. I know these two right here.
You do?
Yeah, they Trini. That's you got her actual address in it?
Yeah.
This side, right? Somewhere.
At the next stop sign, turn left.
Okay.
In 800 feet, the destination is on your right.
Dispensary now. We just got the goods and we're about to head back home. It's been a really great morning, just going through memory lane. It's been a really full circle morning and I'm so grateful to see where Bay came from and for him to see where my family is from as well. Just so beautiful. So we're back home now and today's just gonna be a chill day. It's raining, so we're just gonna be chilling. I'm gonna give Miss Sagey Pooh hair a bath, so I'm gonna be recording that, showing my process of how I give Sage a bath. So yeah, I'll be showing all the products that I use to give Sage a bath on her bath days, and just our process of how like we groom her at home. She's only 4 months old. Well, she just turned 4 months old this month, so we haven't taken her to any type of grooming shop yet. We will soon, but for the most part, we want to groom her ourselves. So just to have like that emotional bond and attachment with her. So yeah, and she's really good on her bath days. So me and Bay are getting our closet together, and this is how it's coming out so far. It's like clothes all over the room. We're actually trying to clear out our guest room of all these boxes and stuff back to this closet. So I'm color coordinating my side. And we're Sage. Come, girl.
Bad girl. Bad girl.
Sage.
Sage. Bad. Yo.
Oh my god.
Oh, girl. No.
Sage.
Don't
Bad
put
girl.
it. Bad girl.
So we're done with the closet for tonight, and this is the progress that we made. Sage. I hope y'all are enjoying this vlog so far. I'm so tired. It's like, I don't even know what time it is. I know it's late. And we're about to go to bed. So it's the next day and we're about to head to Lowe's.
Cougar shit, man.
Ooh, I love the Halloween vibes. OMG, look at all this. It was not like this the other day. This is so cute. Ah. I love it. Favorite time of the year is here. So this is what I got from Lowe's. So I added more touches to the living room, like this little guy right here. I love this. And then I got a new palm tree, and then I also got this new palm tree as well. So right now I'm gonna get ready to groom Sage. As you can see, like, her eyes are kind of covered, so I'm gonna be trimming around her eyes and just shaping up around her face a little bit. So these are the treats that I'm gonna be using to reward her during the process. She loves these. So I only use a comb and scissors, like haircut scissors for her. I feel like with these, I can be way more precise.
Clueless, you man.
So you see how now I can see her eyes a little bit more? Sage, show the people your face. Sage, Sage. Hey girl. So I'm all done giving Miss Sage a haircut. And as you can see, her eyes are way more visible. She want another treat. I'm gonna give her more. Cause you are such a good girl. You are a good girl.
Clueless, you man.
Hey Sage. Hey girl.
Clueless, you man. Sage. Hey girl. Hey girl. You drying off? So this is the last thing I use for Sage. I'm not gonna record me putting it on her because she is really feisty right now and way too energetic.